Good morning, children. Welcome back to Grade 4 Computer Science online class. So, children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, children, in the next week, you are going to write the examination, isn't it? Quarterly examination. So, today we can revise the lessons. Okay. So, today we are going to revise the Unit 2 and 3. Okay. So, we can start our class. So children, we can revise the chapter 2 more about Windows 10. Okay. So in the book exercise, we are going to see the fill in the blanks first. So first question we have, a dash is a location for organizing and storing files. A dash is a location for organizing and storing files. Which one? Yes, folder is a location for organizing and storing files. And second question we have, the dash tail provides access to frequently updated information such as news, weather and calendar events. So which is the answer, ma? The live tail provides access to frequently update information such as news, weather and calendar events, isn't it? Next one, the background image of the desktop is called dash. The background image of the desktop is called wallpaper. Next one, press Ctrl plus A to select all the items in a folder. Press Ctrl plus A. CTRL means what? Control. Okay. CTRL plus A. So press Ctrl plus A to select all the items in a folder. Next, last question. Press the Control key to select non-contiguous items in the drive or folder. Press the Control key to select non-contiguous items in a drive or folder. Next we have the true or false. So first question, you can move a tail by dragging it to a new location. You can move a tail by dragging it to a new location. That is true. Next one, to remove a file or folder, press F5. To remove a file or folder, press F5. That is false. The next one, you cannot remove any tail from the start screen. You cannot remove any tail from the start screen. That is false. The next one, the paste option will not appear unless you click copy or cut option. The paste option will not appear unless you click copy or cut option. The answer is true. Next, last question. The libraries are virtual folders. The libraries are virtual folders. That's true. Okay. And next we have the choose the correct option. First one, you can access anything stored on your computer through this icon. See the question, you can access anything stored on your computer through this icon. So look at the icons, ma. 3 icons are there here, isn't it? So by using these 3 icons, we can able to access the stored information in our computer. So we can tick the last option, all of them. Next one, to select multiple contiguous item, use this key. To select multiple contiguous item, use this key. The answer is Control. Second option, Control. Next one, third one, to copy a file or folder, first select it and then. See the options. First one, click copy in the clipboard group of home tab. Second one, press Ctrl plus C. Third option, select copy option of context menu. And last one, any one of above. So by using this any one of the options, we can able to copy a file or folder. Okay. Next, so our answer for the third question is option 4, any one of above. Next one, this will change the desktop background, color and sound effect. This will helps the desktop background, color and sound effect. The options are wallpaper, theme, screensaver, all of them. The correct answer is second one, theme. Last question we have, you can change the wallpaper and screensaver through. You can change the wallpaper and screensaver through. The options are right click the desktop and select personalize. Second one, click setting and select personalization. Third one, click control panel app and select personalization. Last one, all of above. So by using all of the 3, above options we can able to change the wallpaper and the screen saver. Okay. So children, next we can see the booklet portion. So Roman number 1, answer the following. First question, how will you add an app to tail in start screen? How will you add an app to tail in start screen? The answer is, to add an app to tail, right click the app and select pin to start. See the answer once again. To add an app to tail, right click the app and select pin to start. Next one, what are the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail? What are the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail? The answer is, the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail are small, medium, large and wide. So the answer, the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail are small, medium, large and wide. Next, third one, what do you understand by libraries? Name all the libraries present in Windows 10. What do you understand by libraries? Name all the libraries present in Windows 10. The answer is, libraries are shortcut to folders. Libraries are shortcut to folders. There are 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. There are 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. They are camera roll, documents, music and videos. They are camera roll, documents, music and videos. Fourth question, how will you delete a folder named projects from D drive? How will you delete a folder named projects from the D drive? The answer is, the steps to delete a folder are, the first point is, select the folder projects. Second point, press the delete key. A delete folder dialog box appears. Third point, click yes to confirm the deletion and send the folder or file to the recycle bin. See the answer once again. The steps to delete a folder are, select the folder projects, press the delete key, the delete folder dialog box appears, click yes to confirm the deletion and send the file or folder to the recycle bin. Fifth one, write the steps to delete all the files in the recycle bin. Write the steps to delete all the files in recycle bin. The answer is, to delete all the files or folders within the recycle bin, click the Manage tab under Recycle bin tool. Second point, click Empty Recycle bin. See the answer once again. To delete all the files or folders within a recycle bin, click the Manage tab under Recycle bin tool. Second point, click Empty Recycle bin. So children, third chapter is more about TextSpine. So we can see the book exercise first. So first one, we have the fill in the blanks. First question, the stamp tool is like a rubber stamp or a sticker. The stamp tool is like a rubber stamp or a sticker. Second one, you can mute the sound by pressing Alt plus S key. You can mute the sound by pressing Alt plus S key. Third one, a slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. A slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. Fourth one, click the escape to exit the slideshow. Click the escape to exit the slideshow. Next, last question, click the back button at the bottom right corner of a slideshow to return to the list of pictures. See the question once again. Click the back button at the bottom right corner of the slideshow to return to the list of pictures. Next we have write T for the true statement and F for the false one. First question, to move to the various categories of stamps, use the left and right arrows. To move to the various categories of stamps, use the left and right arrows. The answer is true. Next one, all stamps are colored. All stamps are colored. The answer is false. Third one, you can increase or decrease the size of the stamp. You can increase or decrease the size of the stamp. The answer is true. Next one, the slides button is used to display the storyboard. The slides button is used to display the storyboard. The answer is true. Next, last one, you cannot deselect a picture once selected from the slideshow. You cannot deselect a picture once selected for the slideshow. The answer is false. Next, we have the choose the correct option. First question, pictures in a slideshow are marked as. The options are first one capital letter ABC, then small letter ABC, third option is 1, 2, 3 and last one is Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, isn't it ma? So the correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Okay, third option is correct. Next, click this button to select the pictures for slideshow. Click this button to select the pictures for slideshow. The options are open, slides, erase, back. The second answer only correct, slides. Okay. Next one, this button is used to start the slideshow. This button is used to start the slideshow. The options are play, back, open, new. First one is play, second one back, third one open and last one is new. The correct one is first one play. Fourth question, if the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button is not selected. The options are slides in the slideshow move automatically. Second one, slides in the slideshow move manually by pressing the spacebar, enter or right arrow. Third option, click the next button to move to the next screen, next slide. Last option is option 2 and 3. The correct answer is fourth option. Okay. Next one. To deselect a picture you have selected for a slideshow. The options are click the selected pictures. Then second one, press the delete button. Third one, press the quit tool. Last one, press the back space key. The correct answer is first one. Click the selected pictures. Click the selected pictures. To deselect the pictures you have selected for the slideshow, the answer is click the selected pictures. Next, we can see the booklet portion. So, Roman number 1 answers the following. What is a slideshow? What is a slideshow? The answer is a slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. A slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. Next one, how will you start the slideshow? How will you start the slideshow? The answer is the play button is used to begin the slideshow. The play button is used to begin the slideshow. Third one, what are the different ways to advance the slide in a slideshow manually? What are the different ways to advance the slides in a slideshow manually? The answer is slides in a slideshow can be advanced manually by pressing the space bar, enter, right arrow or by click the next button. So the answer once again, slides in the slideshow can be advanced manually by pressing the space bar, enter, right arrow or by clicking the next button. Fourth question, how will you set the timing for the slideshow? How will you set the timing for the slideshow? The answer is click the slide scale. Click the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest to fastest. See the answer. Click the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest to fastest. Last fifth question, how can you exit from the slideshow? How can you exit from the slideshow? The answer is click escape to exit the slideshow. Click escape to exit the slideshow. So children, for the quarterly examination you have only 2 lessons, lesson 2 and 3. Okay. So study well the booklet portion and as well as the book portion. Okay ma. So you have to write the test properly. Okay. So we can meet in the next class. Okay. Bye. Thank you.